Guys, today I'm going to show you a simple way to hold on to your recycle bag when you go out for shopping. This is a crumple bag that is very super efficient by using two carabiner. One is carabiner over here and the one at the back, and the one at the front as well. So when you hold on to the bag, the IKEA bag will not simply slide down your shoulder. Let me try to demo you in front of the mirror. Okay, so what you do is wear the bag in such a way, and then if you notice, you can put your hand over it, and that's it. Your hands are free to do whatever, and when you need to remove the IKEA bag, simply just push this down and then just unhook the strap. It's that simple, easy to handle. I believe this can be done for a double strap bag as well, but single strap is easy with this little padding over here to differentiate between the top and the bottom. So there is one easy way for you to carry your recycle bag without holding on to it and without it to slide down off your shoulder. Right.